morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Victoria here. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be a vlog, like spend a day with me or get ready with me. I don't know what to call it yet, but it's going to be a vlog. And basically what we have on the itinerary for today is I'm gonna run some errands. I need to go to the beauty supply store and just get a few things because I'm currently trying to revamp a lot of my wigs, so I'm just going to get a few things for that so I can do that this weekend. And then I have to meet up with Toni because we're going to be getting ready for a makeup event, and then we'll go for the makeup event. I was supposed to go to work today, but I just called my coworker saying I wouldn't be able to come in just because like I just thought about it, and I'm only going to go to work for like 2 hours or 3 hours, then come back, then start heading downtown for the event. Like 2-3 hours, just it didn't make any sense to me. So I'm just like, let me just relax and take my time and, you know, not be stressed out. So that's what we're doing today. Let me show you guys my wig. I'm actually really proud of how it turned out. Like it looks really good. I'll show you. Look at where I'm putting my wigs, guys. On top of the computer. It probably hates me right now, but I only have one wig stand, so like I have to improvise. But yeah, look, isn't it cute? And then it has like the 2 blonde highlights in front. I really like it. My hairstylist, Miss Tina, I'll link her handle here. She's basically like, you know, styled it for me and flat ironed it and curled it and all that yesterday, so that was amazing. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Anyways, let me just quickly throw on something and start heading to the beauty supply store because I don't want to waste too much time talking. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and yeah. Alright you guys, so first stop is the mechanic. I don't know, my car was showing some light yesterday talking about the sensor for the tires are not working properly or something like that. So I'm just gonna go and have that looked at just to make sure everything is okay, because I know I'm going to be driving far today. He just basically explained to me that apparently, you know, like when you're driving, that the pressure of the tire adjusts. I knew that, but basically he says so that's probably why the lights was showing on that particular tire, that the pressure was probably too low or too high, but that he's going to just have a look at it and just make sure everything is okay. They can't touch my destiny. They can take everything I have. They can take my life. They can't touch my destiny. I don't know why whenever I come to this beauty supply store, like I'll come for one thing and I'll end up leaving with like 10 items. But yeah, anyway, so I'm just going to head to Toni's place now, and yeah, I'll film our get ready video. This big truck wanted to just about drive me off the road. Grabbing my stuff now. She's not home yet, but I'll just go inside, charge my cameras and my phone and all that, and then just wait for it to come.
Hey! Jesus. Bro, I'm not used to meeting people in my house, fam.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Do you want jollof rice? Do you want jollof rice?
What jollof? Oh my god. What jollof?
Yes.
Oh my god, where is it?
I don't know if there's enough water on shower.
Ah, it will be enough. It will be enough.
You're hungry?
I'm starving. I'm going to eat at 6 o'clock anyway. Right before we go. But then the food there will just be...
Why don't you eat now so you can digest?
No, I'm going to eat that.
Then if you need to blast, you can blast. If you need to...
Fam, why's your food so tiny, fam?
Yeah, because I thought you would have eaten.
Yeah, you can't sleep. Let me go and sleep.
You've not showered.
No, I need to watch this week because this week I decided I'm going to wear.
And you want to wash it?
I know.
What were you doing this morning?
I went to the gym, fam. I don't know I was going to...
Why?
I don't know I was going to wear this thing. I thought I was going to wear the other one.
Ha.
It's not my fault.
Anyways, guys, we're about to eat some.
There's nothing about the fridge. It's fresh. There's chicken wings in the fridge.
Chicken wings? I don't mind that. Jollof. off. Yeah. Thank you, I made it. It was me. Yes, now. I'm getting better. I don't play games. Okay, so I'm just going to microwave some. Waiting for my food to get done. Waiting for my food to get done. Waiting for my food to get done. Let's go look for. I always forget this cat's name. Jerry. It's not Jerry. Speedy. Speedy! Speedy! Oh, look at Speedy. Hi, boy. Oh, you're so cute. Look, he's already lying down. Prepare to be pampered. Hi. Oh. Come, Speedy. Eh, is that my food? Jesus. It's hot. It is hot. About to chow. Now let's get essential food. About to come and shorten my ration. No, I even asked. I should have just eaten my food. Anyways, guys, so let me just eat my food. See you guys soon. I want to enjoy this. We need to talk like
I don't know because we only have like an hour.
We have like 1 hour because this woman, fam. You guys, I thought I was bad with timing, like, but I found my match. If not,
you know what? It's because I did not have anything to wear, and I was looking for what to wear. And
since morning,
I went to the gym in the morning, fam.
And then spent what 3 hours at the mall. Exactly. Don't say anything. I'm glad you didn't say anything. Alright, you guys. So yeah, let's just start.
Get ready and get into it. I'm going to start by hydrating my face with my lovely brown face primer. This is what I don't know, Sha.
Vitamin enriched face base.
Yeah. Lots of products, and this is a new one. It will see. This is what.
Hey, on your skirt.
Show me my skirt. I think I should just.
No, leave. Jesus.
I'm really just now.
You know you don't have to waste time. I'm using the Mario Bedesco.
What's that?
Face water.
Where did you get it from? Sephora?
Sephora has it, yeah. It's like $11. It's good.
It's nice for me.
Mom?
Yes, okay, thank you.
Then I'm using the Smashbox primer to prime.
That's the first person to finish their makeup.
Why are you always doing race? First of all, I'm going to finish before you. We already know that.
Lies.
You want to
Guys, see, I'll prime my face now.
Okay. First of all, me, I'm not going to rush because I need my face to last. So if you like rush, you know, say, I don't like my makeup come down, so now start again.
You start again when I'm ready. Go pause. What's that? Face primer. Just right? It's like a cold, this thing. It's like very, very cold when you apply it. You see that? And then just like.
Is it meant to blur your skin?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Right? And then just. Oh, I love this stuff, huh? I put on my nose.
Doesn't matter, right?
Oh, I don't remember. Well, yeah, actually, yes, it does.
Okay, so now I'm mixing my Angel Veil and Sephora primer together.
See, I'm ready on my cream. I'm ready on my eyebrows. I'm going to start my eyebrows in my spoolie. Today I'm spinning.
Somebody's racing with you. I don't know why you're rushing. Just don't go and make a mistake that will lead us to cleaning anything off.
I can't take it. You have to be done with this video so that we can at least do. So you can even wear your wig. Oh my god,
that's no longer.
Yeah,
you have not styled your wig.
But that's I'm wearing a curly wig. Oh shit.
Exactly. It's already styled. It's already there. It's ready to go. Don't come and try and hey, I prepared.
So we are going to be the one to drive, Annie.
Sorry.
Yes, no.
You don't want to drive, but I know Formula 1 driver. You get us there faster.
No.
You don't want to drive. Can you imagine? Well, then that means you have to take your time, and because if you finish before me, you wait.
Of course I'll wait.
Exactly, so just take your time. Just take your time.
Eyebrows, I really can't give you hands up.
I'm not even commenting.
One, two, three, open. It looks very weird.
What are you doing?
I didn't even know, fam. Because I was one where I put like.
I don't like when my makeup turned down, so let's start again.
You start again when I'm ready. Go pause.
What did I say when we were
Nah,
starting this video?
You see, I was going to go rushing. The colors are just very, very off.
Yeah.
For you. Still finished before you though.
No, let's do the dressing up part now. Don't go and do your wig. Don't go and finish your wig. Stay here.
Hey guys, so I just got ready for my event. Well, not completely ready, halfway ready. My makeup is done. It looks banking. It looks on point. And I have V right there. Look at her. She's still doing her makeup. Look at her. But I'm supposed to be at this place by 7. It's
Shut up, I
almost
was away
6.
from my life.
Yo, okay. This is V's wig. Look at V's wig right there. But
Where's your wig?
I'm going to go and get it from downstairs.
Okay.
It's under the sun. It's
You have
drying.
30 minutes.
Okay, I'm going. But yeah, guys, peace.
Hi guys, so I am currently done my makeup. We filmed a little get ready with me, and I have to do my wig. So one sec. And as usual, who are we waiting for?
You never won. You never.
Who are we waiting
She has
for?
never won her wig. First of all,
You've not worn your outfit. Second
nigga,
of all,
I've worn my shirts. My skirt is.
what do you mean by that?
handy.
You not just put the wig on my head. It's already styled. I'm good to go. Oh,
Put it now.
we're always waiting for her. Anyways, yeah. So we just have to leave like as soon as possible because traffic at this time is not a joke. But yeah, anyways, this is my makeup. Let me just put on my wig so I can show you guys like finished. Okay, so alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this extra sped up get ready with us because we're actually freaking.
We're actually kind of on time though.
How?
It's just 6 or 7.
It takes 42 minutes to get downtown.
Right now, you just checked.
Yeah.
Nigga, we're alright. We're alright. We're good. Alright.
Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching and
Thank you for watching, guys.
stay tuned for the rest of the vlog.
Yeah.
Bye.
Peace out.
We're ready, running hella late, but like we're still trying to take quick Instagram video. Ooh. And yeah. Am I glistening? Oh gosh, I'm glistening. Oh my god, Jesus. Oh my god, Jesus. I'm glistening. Oh my god. Let's make a video. Yeah. Only you.
Wow.
Honestly.
This stuff is real fine.
No.
Yeah, I just feel something now.
Honestly, I don't understand. Like, what's it supposed to be? Like,
Take my content now, like take pictures here.
where's that?
Oh, where the camera stops. That part is
But yeah, so we're just going to go out and like see what else is going on. Kinda looking sick. This is sick. This is kinda cool. Long line of finally done. Yeah, so just heading home now, walking to the car. My feet are killing me, but like honestly,
me too, my feet are killing me as well.
but yeah, it was good.
Tell me how I came to this place thinking this was the right place. Oh, there's a comedy festival.
But yeah, guys, that creme brulee and cheese, whatever thing, the creme brulee was really, really good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. But yeah, anyways, day is over. I'm tired. Hey guys, so I just got home, dropped off Toni, and yeah, I have all my luggages here. But yeah, anyways, going upstairs now. We're now in the elevator together. Great. Great. Okay guys, so I'm just going to call it a night, and thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Subscribe. Bye.